Hello, kids! Are you ready? Let's create a cozy scene with a house and a tree. Get ready for some creative fun. Start by drawing a square for the house and a triangle on top for the roof. Add a rectangle for the door and some square windows. Then sketch a tree with a thick trunk and some leafy branches. Great job! Now, let's add some color to our drawing. Use bright colors for the house, like purple for the roof, and green for the wall. For the tree, color the trunk brown and the leaves green. You're doing wonderfully! Keep coloring until our house done. Take your time and carefully fill in each section with color, making sure to stay inside the lines. You're doing wonderfully! Keep coloring until our house done. Well done! Your house and tree are now beautifully colored. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. Bye-bye!